Kathy, I'm trying to find a document to file a claim. And it seems as though your courts don't want to provide the documentations for me to file a claim.
Okay, what kind of claim are you referring to?
Well, you know, since your government, and I say yours because you're in agreement with it, I believe. Are you there?
I'm here.
Oh, okay. Your government never taught me nothing about the law, and I have a feeling it's because that's how they take advantage of people, but that's beside the point. The city of Greeley filed a complaint or criminal charge. I don't know exactly what you guys call it, and I don't believe they have jurisdiction over me, so I want to file a claim, a counterclaim.
Okay, you would need to file that through whichever court you're referring to.
Yeah, well, I asked them for the paperwork, the city of Greeley court. I don't know what, you know, I'm so confused. You know, nobody is anywhere to tell me anything. I went to the city courthouse and they said I had to go to the county. And then I go to the county and then they give me paperwork that says appeals.
Right, that's probably what they thought you were referring to, was an appeal of some order by the court.
I don't even know if the court made an order. I tried to ask who the court was so I could ask them a question, and they never gave me a straight answer. It's almost like nobody knows anything, like everything's a secret for some reason. It's like the whole legal language is secretive and nobody can talk about it, and they're all scared of it, and they're afraid of it for some reason.
Yeah, I'm not sure how I can help you, sir.
Are you afraid of answering legal questions too?
I cannot give legal advice.
Oh, you can't?
You would have to consult a private attorney.
Okay, well, ma'am, why couldn't you? I mean, is it that secretive, or what's that? What's on the line if you do?
You just have to contact a private attorney, sir.
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to get the truth, and private attorneys, you know, lawyers and attorneys for the most part work for the bar, and they're bound in a small realm called the legal language, which is a small realm that nobody knows that there's another realm called the law, and everybody's bound by this little realm called the legal language, the legal system. Why is there anybody that knows the law that I could talk to? I mean, I don't know anybody.
Again, that would be a private attorney.
A private attorney, does he know the law or the legal language?
I would presume he would know both. That would be something you'd have to talk to him about.
Yeah, I have. And that's kind of where I'm having trouble, is that I've talked to attorneys and lawyers and they say, well, I can't help you in your situation. And I tell them, you know, because simply, ma'am, is I rescinded all my contracts with the birth certificate, and evidently this takes me outside of your realm. And then when I try to figure out where I stand within your realm, you don't give me any answers, because it appears that nobody in your realm wants me to know the truth for some reason, and they don't want me to be free for some reason. That's what it's appearing to me as.
Well, I'm sorry, I cannot help you.
Well, I thought aren't you guys dedicated to serving people?
Yes, we are. That's what you're asking.
Well, you're not.
You need to consult a private attorney.
Well, I did. They can't help me. So now what?
Well, if you're wanting to file something, you would just have to file a motion with the court that you're referring to.
Well, I was going to do that, and then the city of Greeley said they can't do that because that would be because they can't police themselves or something. Like,
Well, I don't know anything.
like how
about
can
that.
you get the city court to go against itself? Is what she said.
Okay. I don't know about
Okay,
that.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I have a question. Another question. Do you guys have power over persons, or do you have power over men also?
I have no idea what you're talking about. So I'm going to get off the phone with you, sir, because I do not appreciate your line of questioning.
Okay. Well, what line of questioning would you appreciate?
You have a good day, sir. Goodbye.
I can't. You're. Let this be on record to the world that the fact is this legal language has us entirely bound. And anybody bound to this legal language cannot tell you anything that will set you free. And that's, as you stick with reveal the fraud, pass it on, you're going to find this out.